Hello everyone, it's Daily here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, the 30th of September 2019. Before I go into the trading ideas, let me announce the winners of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. That's this volume profile you can see on the screen. The winner from Facebook is a guy called PipChaser, and the winner from the YouTube comments is Joanna. Now guys, if you want to participate in the contest, which I'll also do for the next week, what you need to do is comment below this video, which will be uploaded on Facebook and on YouTube. So you just comment below the YouTube video or below the Facebook video. And the next week I'll just pick one winner from the comments from Facebook, one from comments from YouTube. And I'll give you this flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest. Congratulations to the winners, and also thanks everybody so much for participating. Let's now go into the trading ideas. The first trading idea is on the USOIL. This is a 30-minute chart. It is an intraday trading idea. There is a strong resistance right there at 61.96, and the resistance is based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on those massive volumes which got accumulated within this rotation right there, and this rotation took place before this strong sell-off. So because of those volumes and this selling activity, I think that in here there was a volume accumulation of strong sellers. Sellers were accumulating their selling positions, and afterwards they started this strong sell-off. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those sellers will become active, they'll start defending their selling positions, and they are likely to push the price downwards from this level again. Now the next trading idea which I have is also intraday trading idea. It's on the S&P 500. This is also 30-minute chart, and also in here there was the volume accumulation. Very similar scenario as on the crude oil. There was a rotation in which heavy volumes got accumulated, and afterwards really strong sell-off. So because of the sell-off, I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers who were accumulating their selling positions in here in this rotation, and afterwards they initiated this strong selling activity. So when the price retraces back to this level, which is at 30.03, I think that those sellers will start defending their selling positions, they'll become active again, and they are likely to push the price downwards from this level again. Now let's go into the Canadian dollar Japanese yen 30-minute chart. And there is also volume accumulation set up in here. There was a rotation right there, and the heaviest volumes within this rotation were exactly at 81.20, and I think that the buyers who initiated this strong buying activity were building up their buying positions in here, and they placed most of their positions right there. This is where the point of control of this area is. Alright, so when the price makes a pullback to this level again, I think that those guys will become aggressive, they'll become active again, and they'll push the price upwards from this level again. Now the last pair with intraday trading ideas is the British pound 30-minute chart, and this one is pretty interesting. There are two heavy volume zones. The first one is this one, those massive volumes which got accumulated in this whole rotation area. Afterwards you can see that there was a strong buying activity, so I think that strong buyers were building up their positions in here. Afterwards they initiated this buying activity. So when the price makes it pull back to this level, I think that those buyers will become active and they'll push the price away from this price, they'll push the price upwards. And the level is exactly at 0.8856. By the way, there is also nice confirmation of the level. And the confirmations in here, as you can see, the price was rejecting this level in the past many times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times this level. Which means that this level was a strong resistance, and when the price finally went past it, the resistance then became a support. Alright, so that's another confirmation of this level because it's now strong support. based on price action setup and also based on volume setup. Now the second strong support level which I have is this one at 0.8821, and it is based on the same setup, volume accumulation setup. Rotation followed by strong buying activity. Alright, so the logic is the same. Strong buyers were building up their buying positions in here, afterwards pushing the price upwards. When there's a pullback to this level, those buyers are most likely to become active again and to start buying, pushing the price upwards again. Now, what I really like about those levels is that if I zoom out the chart a bit and use the profile like this, for this whole area, right, then you can see that actually those levels are at one of the most important places of this whole volume profile, of this cumulative volume profile. The higher one is stronger. It's actually the point of control. This is the point of control of this whole area, meaning the heaviest volumes throughout all this area got accumulated in here. So that's a very strong confirmation. The second one, not as strong because it's not the point of control, but also very nicely visible. Alright, so that's a very nice confirmation on a cumulative profile right there. Alright, so that's for the intraday trading ideas. Let's now go into a swing trading idea. This one is on the Australian dollar Japanese yen, and this one is not the usual swing trade idea. This one is sort of long-term swing trade idea, I would say. Now let me show you what I have in mind. It is this strong resistance level on a daily chart at 78.40. Now in this rotation, in this 4-month rotation, there were pretty heavy volumes accumulated there. And afterwards, after this rotation, strong selling activity, which means that sellers were building up their selling positions in here, and afterwards they started the selling activity. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those sellers are likely to start defending their selling positions and to push the price downwards from this level again. Now with trade like this, you need to have pretty wide stop loss. In this case, I suggest somewhere in here, which is over 200 pips. You need trade like this to breathe. Alright, so that's for stop loss for this trade, should be that far. Now there is also a nice confirmation of the level. It's those rejections, meaning that this was a strong support because the price bounced off that area pretty sharply in the past. And when the price made it past the level, the support then became a resistance. Alright, so that's a nice confirmation of this level. We have extremely heavy volumes followed by a selling activity. This is the volume accumulation setup, also confirmed by support becoming resistance setup. Alright, so that's for the trading ideas, guys. If you would like to trade with me every day, if you would like to join my pro trading course, it's very simple. Go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and in here you go to Dale's Forex course. You scroll down a bit, and in here there are those boxes you can choose from. What I definitely recommend is getting this one. The reason for that is that you'll get a lifetime membership in a trading course, this one, and also you'll get a volume profile indicator pack, which is a fixed volume profile and flexible volume profile, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform. I use those profiles every day in my trading analysis. Those are professional tools, also lifetime license, so you'll get that along with a course. So that's why I recommend getting this one. Alright, so that's about it for the video for today, guys. I hope you like it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trading!